Pero ito lang gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, kalimutan mo na ang lahat. Huwag mo lang kakalimutan ng Diyos. Huwag mo kakalimutan ng Panginoon. Ang problema natin, kinakalimutan natin yung dapat nating inaalala. At inaalala natin yung dapat nating kinakalimutan. That because of what God did, He transitioned you from zero to hero, from nothing to something. God has brought you this far. Nung ako elementary, may mga medals ako. Ito yung aking kindergarten certificate. And every time makikita ko tong kindergarten certificate, marami magpo-congratulations sa akin. Congratulations, Pastor, you made it through kindergarten. Congratulations. Pag nakikita ko tong certificate na ito, and every time you look at these medals, there's always a temptation to be proud of yourself. Right? Because this is what I have accomplished. But hey, walang masama na maging confident tayo. Walang masama na i-remember natin ang lahat ng sacrifices natin for it. Pero every time I look at this medal, every time I look at this certificate, ang nakikita ko sa certificate ko, hindi itong papel na ito, madali itong punitin. Pero lahat ng hirap, lahat ng sakit, ang medalya, 10 piso lang yan dyan sa may Malabon. Pero once na sinabit yan sa'yo, it adds value. Because now, hindi na lang tanso, hindi na lang ginto, hindi na lang pangsabit, kasamang sinasabit sa'yo ang pag-recognize sa lahat ng hirap na pinagdaanan mo in the past. So this certificate is a memorial. But this is a memorial of what God did for you. So please next time, every time you look at your wall at punong-puno ng mga diploma, accomplishment, and all of that, pag tinignan mo yung bank account mo at punong-puno ng zero, di magkasya sa screen, sana all, remind yourself, Lord, kung wala ka, zero to. Kung wala ka, Lord, wala nakasabit na diploma dito. Kasi kahit gaano ko kagaling, kung walang nag-provide ng pan-tuition ko, baliwala. Na-realize ko, ang Diyos hindi siya random, hindi siya accidental. Ang Diyos natin intentional. Ang Diyos natin involved, invested. Minsan lang hindi ka na napapawaw kasi masyado ka nang sanay. Minsan lang hindi mo ma-appreciate because your normal is somebody else's dream. Yung normal sa'yo na may 10,000 ka sa wallet mo, pangarap ng iba. Minsan yung normal sa'yo may sasakyan ka, pangarap ng iba. Hindi mo ma-appreciate yung meron ka kasi nakatingin ka sa mga tao, mas marami yung kotse sa'yo, mas marami yung salapi sa'yo, and you forget to remind yourself, hey, don't forget to remember! God is good! God has been faithful to you. Learn to appreciate your church, your leaders, your teachers, your boss, your career. Learn to appreciate everything that God has prepared for you. Wala kang degree dati, wala ka namang pera dati, hindi kayo ganyan ka-close dati, hindi stable ang trabaho mo dati. Learn to appreciate everything that God has done to you in the past. Don't forget to remember. Put that in the chat. Don't forget to remember that if it had not been for the grace of God, if it had not been for the mercy of God, we are nothing. Don't ever think for a moment that dahil sa lakas mo at sa power mo kaya kami trabaho pa rin. Don't ever think for a moment that because of your power and might, nabuo pa rin ang pamilya mo. It's all because of the grace of God. Yung proteksyon ng Panginoon nandiyan lagi. Don't ever think that you did it all by yourself. It's not. The only way we made it through from where we were to where we are is because God is good. Hindi mali na maalala natin ang sakit, ang hirap na ating pinagdaanan, pero lagi nating alalahanin na yes, nagdaan ka dun. Pero alalahanin mo rin kaya ka nakapagtagumpay kasi faithful ang Diyos.